Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and in this video we will discuss LeetCode problem number 1688, count of matches in tournament. So basically in this particular problem we are given number of teams in particular tournament and we have to decide how much matches will be required for deciding the winning team. So as of example number one, we are given n equal to seven teams, and its output is six. So basically, we have to six. It will take six matches until we find our winner team. So in the explanation, we can see in the first round, we will have seven teams. Uh, we will do three matches, so that in three matches there are six teams. In and one team we will put one team to the next round, and in these three matches we will have three winning teams. So that three winning teams plus one team already without playing any match, these four teams will be in advance, which goes to the next round. uh, in this second round we will take two matches, and we will have two teams in next round, which will be our final round. And in this round, whichever team wins, that that is our winning team. So let's try to write code for that. Okay. So basically, we know that if teams are less than two, basically, if there is zero teams, then we will put the zero matches. And if the team is only one, then it is only the winning team. So that will be also zero matches. So this is condition for that. Other than this, we will have two conditions in which if we have uh, odd numbers of team available for any given round, then we have to uh, put one team to the next round. Odd winning teams and plus one team which is gone to the next round without any match. That is total of any even number of teams. So we will have one condition for that and one condition which if we have already even number of teams, then divided by two teams will be in the next round. If we have even numbers of teams. So in this situation, we will add n divided by two teams in the matches. So uh, there will be if we have four teams, then we will definitely have two matches in that round. So whatever number divides by two matches will be there in that round, and we have to eliminate uh, two teams for that round. How many matches we will take, that that will be also our eliminated team number. Else in this situation we have to put one team to the next round. So for that we will minus one team here, so that if uh, there is odd number that becomes even at this point. So this becomes 6, and uh, 3 teams will be eliminated, and 3 teams will be winner of this round. And at last, we will add that team to the next round. So for that, we will plus it here. And in this condition, we will put if n is less than 1. Because if n is greater than 1, then no zero matches will be there. We have to conduct matches. So for that, this condition will be run. Let's see the problem. Okay, so n is not n should be greater than 1 for this condition to be run. Okay, so there was problem in our condition. Let's try to run it again. Okay, both the example cases are solved here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, our solution beats 45.1% of solutions. Its time complexity is O of log n because of the loops, and space complexity is O of 1 because we have only used one integer. Thank you for watching this video.